Welcome friends, welcome to Goemkarponn with me Suraj Nandrekar once again. Today we have with us the AICC observer of Goa Day Congress, and we are here to discuss the exit polls which gave similar figures to Congress and the BJP. We will ask Mr. Dinesh Gundu what plans he has, what strategy to defeat BJP after the counting. Welcome, sir. Now, as you know, the exit polls are out. It has given the same numbers to Congress and BJP. What do you have to say first thing?
See, exit polls are there are different. Many exit polls are there. Some are giving more for us. Some are giving equal to us. Nobody is giving us less than BJP. And but whatever may be the exit polls, I'm not a very big believer of exit polls. But ultimately, I feel that we our numbers will be much higher because of all the surveys that we've done and all the ground reports that we've got. Definitely, we will be in a position of a majority, and we'll be able to form a government. So exit polls are exit polls. They do a rapid poll and they try to predict. But most of the time, exit polls have gone wrong in this country.
Yeah, we saw that in West Bengal. They miserably failed, where Mamta Banerjee's TMC made a landslide victory against BJP. So, do you think the same thing will happen in Goa?
I feel, see, the unspoken voter or the silent voter, he is big number, and they don't want the BJP in Goa. And Congress was the only alternate for them. And we also had changed our strategy. We had given new candidates, fresh candidates. So we had a clean campaign. So I think we were able to attract that silent voter, and they have shifted towards us. And I think that has given us a clear edge. And so you will see that in the result that we will be crossing 20.
Sir, if the exit polls are right, if BJP Congress both get 15-15, what would be your strategy?
See, now, unless strategies are always, a secret. We can't reveal our strategy to everyone. But all of this will depend upon the 10th result. How many each gets, what are the numbers, independents, other regional parties, other national parties. So all those things will, it's a very dynamic situation. But one thing is very clear, that what in 2017, though we had a good number, but not a majority, but we could have formed the government. But because of certain reasons, we couldn't form, because of our own mistakes. So this time, no, there will be no such mistakes. We will be very, very sharp, very, very fast. And we've got all the people together, we've all spoken to everyone, and we will take quick decisions, and there shall be no lapses on our part.
Sir, it is being said, I just read on the national media that Congress is again back to the resort politics. Is it true?
It's not resort politics. Yesterday we had a meeting with all the candidates. So all of them said, sir, let us all be together, and one day, let us all be together, and then after the results, then we can take a decision. So, and also unnecessary rumors are being spread by BJP and their dirty tricks department. Simply saying someone is meeting somebody is going somewhere, all kinds of unnecessary rubbish. So our own candidates have told us, sir, that let us all stay together and then go for counting, so that there shall be no confusion from any side. So that's the reason why all of us are going to be staying together, and not only candidates, some of our other party men also will be there. And it's a matter of 1-2 days, 10th will be the result, and hopefully everything will go well. So that's the only thing. There's nothing like resort politics or spending some lavish amounts of money, nothing like that.
No, but it looks like when you have everybody together, held in a resort, it looks like you don't have a trust on the candidate.
No, not trust. See, today BJP is the most unprincipled party. Today they will go to any extent to threaten people, to kidnap people, to blackmail people, to offering huge amounts of money. All this nonsense, where everyone knows what BJP is doing. So, and also spreading unnecessary false information, false rumors about everybody. So, unnecessarily they will try and create some. So that was one of the reasons why we've all decided to stay together, and we will be together. There's no other, not that we don't trust anyone. We've given new candidates, clean candidates, and some people who joined us in good faith. So we've gone through a screening process. We've been speaking to them. They've taken an oath. They've taken a vow in front of the God, temple and church. So, there's a lot of commitment shown by our candidates that what happened in 2017 will not happen this time.
Sir, as we come close to the counting day, just few hours left, about 48 hours. So, what the Congress has still not announced its CM's candidate.
See, that is.
That is one reason why you failed to form the government in 2017.
Yeah, so I agree. So this time, as soon as the results are out, we shall be convening a CLP meeting, say by 3 o'clock or whatever, and we will be electing the CLP leader in a matter of minutes. So there shall be no ambiguity, no confusion about that, and we will be very quick on that. But let all the MLAs get elected, no? Only then you can have a new CLP leader. No point in us announcing anything right now.
That is one of the reasons, as I said in 2017, there was no unanimity in finalizing the chief minister. How can you say that the same mistake would not be repeated this time?
We are well prepared. We spent time, discussed with everybody. I am here. Mr. Chidambaram is here, and we are all sitting with all our people. So we will ensure that none of those things happen. And all our candidates have also told us that whatever you people decide, we are with you. So there shall this time be not even a second delay.
It looks like from the public opinion that it is going to be either Digambar Kamath or Michael Lobo. Your view?
See, no, I don't want to speculate on all these competitive names because this will be a decision taken by the High Command and also the opinion of the MLAs. But I'm very, very sure that most of the people know who the Congress CLP leader is going to be. But I think whatever it is, it has to be done in a process and let that process take place. But one thing I can really assure you is that there shall not be even a minute's delay in that.
You are talking about going to the Rajbhavan and submitting, just taking the claim to form.
The CLP leader, and then we'll be ready to go to Rajbhavan. We'll stake that claim, and then hopefully everything should go smooth. In case some issues are cropping up, then we've also prepared our lawyers to take up in the Supreme Court, take up in the whatever High Court, wherever necessary. So all those things are, we put everything in the, all the entire thing has been planned.
Sir, a lot is being spoken about the MGP. Have you had any talks with them?
See, many people have spoken to MGP, also have spoken to us. Many other parties have spoken to us, and we are in communication. So I feel that everybody are fed up with BJP, and they've seen the politics that has taken place in Goa. So if people of Goa also don't want the BJP to form the government like last time, and this time the result will be much stronger. Many people are saying the BJP also will get some decent numbers, but I feel the opposite is going to take place. They shall be reduced to below 10 because there's a strong anti-incumbency against them. The only way they're trying to win this election is by the sheer amount of money they have, and they're strong. Some of the candidates are individually strong, and they're spending crores and crores of rupees. Only through that they're trying to win the election, not because of public support or popular support. So you will see the results, they will go below 10, and that will be a befitting lesson to the politics that BJP has played.
Sir, I just read in the newspapers, so the Congress is ready for alliance with TMC, AAP, MGP and all the independents. Is it true?
See, I am not going to make any comment because we are confident of our own numbers of getting a majority. So Congress and with the Goa forward, we are very confident of getting our majority. Whatever else, if any other political parties are willing to support us in the future, we will look at that. Depending on how we want a more stable government, we want a more government which can take everybody along. So if any other political party wants to support us, we will definitely consider, as long as we want to keep the BJP out. And the stand should be, the policies of the government should be against the communal politics of BJP and to give a clean government, not a corrupt government, to give a clean government.
So basically you are trying to say that by 5 o'clock you are going to form the government.
I am sure that by 5 o'clock our letter requesting the governor to invite us to form the government will be given to the governor.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for giving us all the details and telling us how the Congress is prepared for this battle post the counting. Thank you very much. We wish you all the best. Thank you once again.